Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your BitMart wallet address. If you're planning to receive cryptocurrency on BitMart, knowing how to find your wallet address is essential. Your BitMart wallet address is a unique identifier that allows others to send crypto safely to your account, so here's how you do it. Launch open BitMart application or website and log into your account. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Assets or Funds tab at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the Assets tab, this is where all of your supported cryptocurrencies are listed. Go to the Spot button at the top of the screen and select Deposit to view the deposit, and on the next page, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive from the menu. After selecting one of the options, click on Confirm, and then you'll see your wallet address along with your QR code displayed on the next page. You can tap the Copy button underneath Address to copy your wallet address, or let's scan the QR code to share it securely. Always verify that the copied address and selected network match the sender's requirements before initiating any transfer. So finding your BitMart wallet address is this quick and straightforward. Once you know where to look, you can safely receive cryptocurrency into your BitMart account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.